Hi everyone, this is Vikas. I welcome all of you in third video tutorial for the Pandas series, and here we would see how to load CSV file. So basically it is a comma separated value files, and it is also a Excel file only, but it has an extension of .csv. So today's our agenda is how to load CSV file, okay, or CSV data set. So please don't confuse with file or data set, because it contains information, right? So which contains information and which we want to use, that would be considered as a file or data set. Now first of all, we have to import the pandas. So what we'll write: import pandas as PD. Okay, once we execute, then this package is loaded. Then we will try to load the data set. So in this case we have to write pd.read underscore, and earlier we have seen for the Excel file which has an extension, I'll just write Excel file has a extension of .xls or .xlsx. So we had used pd.read underscore Excel, okay, but in this case we should not use Excel and we have to use .csv. okay, so I'll just remove this, and thereafter we have to write the file name, and of course we have to write the extension because this is a CSV file, so extension will be CSV, and then we execute this. So now we have to check the file name first, and this is my file name, which is Annual Enterprise Survey 2019 Financial, right? So see here, it also shows this is a Microsoft Excel for housing underscore Excel. For the earlier tutorial we have seen, so you can see both are Microsoft Excel file only, but both having different extension. Okay, so now I'll select this Annual Enterprise Survey, right click and go for the properties. You can also do the same thing, and here you can just check this out. This file has a very long name, right? It has a very long name. So what we can do, we can just copy from here itself. Okay, we can just copy and see here Microsoft Excel comma separated value files, and this is the extension part here. I'll try to increase the screen size. Okay, so this is .csv, so it has a .csv extension. Earlier which dataset we have loaded, so that has an extension of .xlsx, but here we have .csv. so please make sure that while writing the extensions, please don't forget to mention that .csv. okay, now we'll go over here, and in place of this file name we have to write the file name, and we have given this .csv. -csv also, it is considered as the file name part only. Okay, so don't worry for that, but here we have to write this .csv. Once we execute this, it is executed. Now we'll just check that this file has been loaded properly or not. So we have to check the header and footer. So how to check the header file? Header means the first 5 rows. So dataset.head, it shows year, industry underscore aggregations, NZ, SIOC. So this is this file pertained with the New Zealand dataset, okay, which is talking about the financial year 2019 for the enterprise survey annually. So this dataset pertained with New Zealand, that's the reason all details are available for the New Zealand over here. So now we didn't find any kind of discrepancy over here. Now again we'll just check the tail also for that data set. We have just given dataset dot tail, and once we have executed, it shows the last 5 rows, and in this case you can also find what is the dimension of this data set. So dimension in the sense how many rows are there and how many columns are there. So rows you can find it out using this, which shows it has a total 32,444 rows. Okay, and obviously it has started from 0, so you can just increase by 1, which becomes 32,445 rows. And how many columns are there? You can just count from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and 10. So 9 or 10 columns are there. So this is how we can load the CSV file, and instead of this pd.read_excel we have to write pd.read_csv. This is how we can load the CSV file in Jupyter Notebook using Python. Thank you so much, and if you really appreciate this effort, so please do hit on like button, and please do subscribe our channel, and please do check other videos which is available.